So this is a while loop. While loop works like this. While the condition within these parentheses are evaluated to true. This condition is true. Do all the commands enclosed within these curlies. That's these guys over here. Is this true? Then do these guys. And keep doing it while this is true. The minute this becomes false, don't do these anymore. Break out. Go to the next line. Start executing. That's how a while loop works. Okay, so let's see one. Here I've got my pound include statements. My libraries are right there. And I have a function called main. That's the starting point. It returns an integer to the system when it's done. I take the integer I declare it, and I assign it the value 1, while the following is true. While I is less than 5. I is currently 1, so this is less than 5. So it's going to do all execute all these commands within the curlies up until this is no longer true. Well, okay, let's evaluate it. It prints, I call the print function, I say the letter I equals, and format specifier, %d, I is put right into there. Whatever value is in I gets put into the format specifier, because I is after the comma, of course. And then what happens? So I equals on the first loop around 1. Then I is incremented by 1 to 2. Now, goes back, hits the end of the curlies, jumps back up here. Is I still less than 5? Yes, it is. Now it's 2. Jumps down here, prints out I equals 2. I goes into here. Increments I from 2 to 3. Jumps, hits the curlies, jumps back up to the while, and evaluates again. Whoops. Is 3 less than 5? Yes, it is. Print function, I equals 3. Jumps down to the next line, increments 3 to 4. And the curlies, jumps up to the while loops and re-evaluates. Is 4 less than 5? Yes, it is. Printf statement is executed. I equals 4. This I is now equal to 4. It goes into format specifier, jumps down to the next line, increments 4 to 5. Hits the end of the while loop, jumps up to the beginning of the while loop, and re-evaluates. The condition is 5 less than 5. No, it's not. So it immediately jumps around all of this stuff to the next line. System pause, and it pauses the system from executing any further commands up until you strike any key, and it places a statement on the screen that says strike any key to continue. So you hit the spacebar or the enter key or some key, and the system continues processing commands. Next one is return 0. That's the end of the program. So it has printed out 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. It doesn't print out 5. Well, let's see if that's right. Here we go. I save this, and I go to debug builds, or I can just hit the F7 key. I'll hit F7, and it will start to, here's my output. I'm going to hit F7, and there we go. Building. Give it a second. And it's busy. It succeeded. 0 succeeded, 1 failed. Uh-oh. Undeclared identifier. Which one? Pause. What did I do that was super bad? I didn't put pause within quotes. I'm so fired. There we go. Well, I'm so happy that happened. Okay, let's save this again. Now I'm going to hit the F7 to rebuild. And here it comes. 1 succeeded, 0 failed. Okay, everything is good now. Alright, close that. And let's run it now. Go to debug. And give it a second. Just a tad slow today. There we go. Oh, I got my... Uh-oh. Well, first off, I forgot to shut off my antivirus. I'm going to do that right now. Oh, that was a mistake. I hit the wrong button. One more time. And advanced shield disabled for 1 hour. Okay. Yes. Okay, now I can do it. One more time. Oh, when it prints out the I forgot something. I also wanted to hit the carriage return line feed. So I'm going to put in a \n right there. That'll put in the carriage return line feed. I just saved it. Let's rebuild this again. Let me hit F7. And it worked. Wonderful. Now let me hit the run button. Allow. And there we go. I equals 1, I equals 2, I equals 3, I equals 4. Press any key to continue. Wonderful, it worked well. And that's it. That's all I have to say for now. This is George Boole. Bye-bye.